Happy New Year everybody! This is the very first video of 2021 and it feels good to be back. For those who are new to this channel, we do brand new videos every week with the Sunnybank Trust. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. This week's theme is Happy New Year. So we're going to be making some mood boards for 2021. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a glue stick and some liquid glue. Your choice of coloured card, 4 printed photos or images from magazines to represent your goals, some bits and bobs to use for decorations for your mood board like pom-poms or pipe cleaners, some scissors and a pen. Select 4 images and cut them out. Don't forget to recycle. Take out your coloured card. You may want to play around with where you want your images to go before we stick them down. Once you've decided where you want your images to go, you can stick them on using your glue stick. We're going to take out our pen and write a short description of what each image means to us. So the first one is to move to London, because that's what this image represents. The second one is to learn how to drive a car. The third one is to spend more time outdoors. And my fourth one is to learn how to grow plants. These are my goals. You can do whatever you like with yours. If you're like me and have any empty gaps in your mood board, you can now decorate these with your pom-poms or your pipe cleaners or whatever you've got at home. This is an idea of what I've come up with, but you can do whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a mood board today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos of your mood boards with us.